dramatic role of her life was her life. Mike Yablons presents Faye Dunaway as Joan Crawford in Mommie Dearest.
You think you're very clever, don't you? Trying to sweep a poor little widow under the carpet? Think again. I'm on the board of directors of this lousy company. I fought worse monsters than you for years in Hollywood. I know how to win the hard way. This ain't my first time at the rodeo. Don't fuck with me, fellas! Don't fuck with me, fellas!
I hate the world today. You're so good to me, I know change. Tried to tell you, but you look at me like maybe I'm an angel underneath, innocent and sweet. Yesterday I cried, lost a memory to see the softer side. I can understand how you'd be so confused. I don't envy you. I'm a little bit of everything. All more than you want. I'm a bitch, I'm a lover, I'm a child, I'm a mother, I'm a sinner, I'm a saint. I do not feel ashamed. I'm your help, I'm your dream. I'm not living the dream. You know you wouldn't want it any other way. I'm a bitch.
Hauling me over to Mayor's table like some picked up floozy. Or one of those starlets. Out to give the big shots a nice night in town. Is that what you think of me? May as well have property of MGM tattooed on my backside. You expect me to ignore my fans? They're life and death to me, baby. They're the ones who really make me. They're the crooked lawyer, supplying the grease that makes this shitty movie business work. You think your life's a mystery. There isn't a dirty cover-up in this entire business that I don't know about, and your hand is in every one of them, you reek of it! Where are you going? You belong here. Please don't leave, because if you do, you'll never come back in again, no matter what you say, or ask, or do. Please don't go. Don't leave me here alone.
If you're acting, you're wasting your time. If you're not, you're wasting mine.
I'm not acting.
Come on.
Take me as I am. This may mean you'll have to be a stronger man. Rest assured that when I start to make you nervous and I'm going to extremes, tomorrow I will change, and today won't mean a thing. I'm a bitch, I'm a lover, I'm a child, I'm a mother, I'm a sinner, I'm a saint. I do not feel ashamed. I'm your help, I'm your dream. I'm not living the dream. You know you wouldn't want it any other way. I'm a bitch.
You love to make me hit you. It's wonderful. It's wonderful. You deliberately embarrassed me in front of a reporter. Oh, I told you how important this is to me. I told you. Why can't you give me the respect that I'm entitled to? I would be too treated by any stranger on the street. You never use that tone of voice with me, Missy. Who do you think you're talking to? I'll tell you what you're gonna do. You're gonna march yourself upstairs to your room and you will stay there until I tell you to come out. What's my hangers doing in this closet when I told you no more hangers ever? Work till I'm half dead and I hear people say she's getting old. What do I get? A daughter! Who cares as much about the beautiful dresses I give her as she cares